Hi everyone. Today we will discuss beats. So beats is nothing but the phenomenon of periodic change in intensity of sound when two waves equal amplitude and slightly different frequencies traveling in same direction and it is superposed with each other, it is called the beats. So the two progressive waves, these are two progressive waves are equal amplitude and small difference. Okay, the difference is 2 hertz or 3 hertz, like that. The frequency difference is only very small and traveling in same direction. So then it is the principle of superposition. Okay, superpose with each other, then the periodic change in intensity of sound. So when the intensity is maximum and again intensity is minimum, so it is continuous periodic change is called the beats. So in beats, so here maximum intensity of sound, maximum intensity of sound, it is called waxing, is produced in the beats, when constructive interference constructive interference interference takes place. Already we are discussing in the principle of superposition. So interference is nothing but two waves are overlaps to each other. When constructive interference, the amplitude is maximum. When destructive interference, the amplitude is minimum. So here maximum intensity of sound, that is waxing, it is called the waxing, is produced in beats when constructive interference takes place. So another one, minimum intensity of sound, so it is called waning, is produced in the beats when destructive interference takes place. Okay, two waves are in the two harmonic waves. So for example, we consider here so this is the propagation direction, so x direction, so this is y direction. So when a wave is like a wave is here, one progressive wave is moves along positive x direction. Okay, another wave we have taken, another wave, so same amplitude is same but frequency is a change. So like amplitude is same, frequencies change. So this first one and second one, so these are in same direction. So after the constructive interference, constructive interference means, so these are two waves are in constructive interference, slightly change, the frequencies slightly change, but the amplitude is equal, amplitude is same. So then the resultant beat, resultant the wave is like here. So when constructive interference, so here the wave is maximum amplitude, so like here maximum amplitude, so here maximum amplitude, here destructive interference, so here minimum amplitude. So at waxing, so maximum amplitude, it is the amplitude, so the wave forms maximum amplitude, and at a minimum intensity of sound is produced, that is at waning position, at destructive interference, so minimum interference, so minimum amplitude is produced like here. Such type of phenomena is called the beats. Certain beats, how many beats are produced here? So the beats are produced is depend upon the difference of frequency difference. Okay, frequency difference between two progressive waves. So let us consider two progressive waves, are in same direction with equal amplitude, and here x equals 0 and pi equals to pi by 2. Okay, so we know that the progressive wave equation, so here progressive wave equation displacement, so S1 equals to a sin kx minus omega t plus pi. So pi is the phase angle, so phase. Okay, here pi equals to, so pi by 2, x equals 0, so then S1 is nothing but a sin kx, k into 0 equals 0 minus, so here 1 first progressive wave omega 1 t, okay, plus pi by 2. Okay, so here S1 equals to a cos omega 1 t. So this is the first progressive wave, equation number 1. So another progressive wave same as S2 equals to a cos omega 2 t. Okay, so this is first progressive wave, this is second progressive wave. So now the displacement, the two progressive waves is S1 and S2, these two progressive waves is move along in the same direction and superposed to each other. So then the total displacement S equals to S1 plus S2. Okay, so S equals to S1 plus S2 equals to A cos omega 1t plus A cos omega 2t. So here common is A, so S equals to A is take common cos omega 1t plus cos omega 2t. So this is equation number 3. The above equation is cos A plus cos B. Trigonometric integrity equation, so it is like 2 cos A minus B by 2 into cos A plus B by 2. Okay, same like equation number 3 is also S equals to 2A cos omega 1t minus omega 2t by 2 into cos omega 1t plus omega 2t by 2. Okay, that implies S equals to 2A, t is common here, cos omega 1 minus omega 2 by 2 into t into cos omega 1 plus omega 2 by 2 into t. So this is equation number 4. So in this equation S equals to 2A, A is the amplitude, cos omega 1 minus omega 2 by 2 into t, and again cos omega 1 plus omega 2 by 2 into t. So here omega 1 plus omega 2 by 2 is taken as omega A, omega 1 minus omega 2 by 2 equals to omega B. Okay, here let us consider omega 1 plus omega 2 by 2 equals to omega A, and omega 1 minus omega 2 by 2 equals to omega B. So then these values is substitute in equation number 4. Okay, now S equals to 2A cos omega bt into cos omega at. So this is equation number 5. Okay, in equation number 5, omega A is the angular frequency. Angular frequency is cannot change with time. The frequency, angular frequency is constant. Average angular frequency is constant. So but here the omega 2A cos omega bt is the amplitude. So this term will explain about the amplitude of resultant wave, the beating wave. So this is change with time. So then can write the resultant wave is oscillating with the average angular frequency omega a, its amplitude is not constant. It is change with time. Okay, it is change with time. So when time change, the amplitude is change. So here the when it is amplitude is maximum. So for example, so this is resultant beating wave. So like here, after beat, so it is maximum +1, so it is 0, so again it is -1, so again 0, again it is +1, so 0, like that. Okay, it is maximum at positive +1 and -1. The amplitude is maximum at +1 and -1. So it is minimum at vanning position. It is minimum intensity of sound is produced at this position. So amplitude is 0. So here in this term 2a cos omega bt. So here 2a is constant. So then we can consider cos omega bt equals to plus or minus 1. Okay, so cos omega bt equals to plus or minus 1. So either plus or minus. So when it is plus or minus, so it is plus or minus here at n pi, n equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. So here pi is nothing but, so pi is 180 degrees or pi radians. So the condition is omega bt equals to n pi. So here n equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. Okay, so what is omega b? Omega b is nothing but omega 1 minus omega 2 by 2 into t equals to n pi. Omega 1 angular frequency. What is the relation between angular frequency and normal frequency? So 2 pi mu 1 minus 2 pi mu 2 divided by 2 into t equals to n pi. Okay, so that implies 2 pi is take common, mu 1 minus mu 2 divided by 2 into t equals to n pi. 2 gets cancelled, pi gets cancelled. So then here t equals to, okay, t time or time period, t equals to here n by mu 1 minus mu 2. So this is equation number 6. Okay, so for example n equals to 0. So we consider 0, n equals to 1. So the time is 1 by mu 1 minus mu 2. When n equals to 2, 2 by mu 1 minus mu 2. n equals to 3, 3 by mu 1 minus mu 2. So then here the time difference, okay, the time difference is 1 by mu 1 minus mu 2 minus 0 equals to, so 1 by mu 1 minus mu 2. 2 by mu 1 minus mu 2 minus of 1 by mu1 minus mu2 equals to 1 by mu1 minus mu2. So then the time period t equals to 1 by mu1 minus mu2. That implies, so here 1 by t equals to mu1 minus mu2. 1 by t is nothing but t is the time period. Okay, time period, the reciprocal of time period is nothing but frequency. So beat frequency equals to frequency difference between two progressive waves, mu1 minus mu2, or it is also is taken mu1 is difference mu2. Okay, so this is about the beat frequency. Beat frequency or beating frequency of two progressive waves is mu1 minus mu2. Next, our ear, okay, mana chevi, our ear only pursue the frequency with 0.1 second. So the minimum time is 0.1 second. 0.1 second is nothing but the frequency equals to 1 by t equals to 1 by 0.1. So then 1 by 0.1 equals to 10 hertz. That means only the maximum one human being, the man, or our ear is here only 10 beats. Okay, a man can hear maximum 10 beats. 10 beats. Now uses of beats. So here uses, first one, determination of an unknown frequency. So using of beats, unknown frequency, find out the unknown frequency. So for example, so we can take different two tuning forks. First tuning forks, for example, we have taken frequencies 10 hertz. Second frequency we don't know, unknown frequency. So these tuning forks are vibrate at same time. So then it vibrate and produce the sound. So then it can produce, for example, so 4 beats are produced. So beat frequency is 4 hertz. So then mu1 minus mu2 equals to 4. So then mu2 is, find out mu2 equals to mu1 minus 4, that equals to 10 minus 4 equals to 6 hertz. So like here, unknown frequency of any operators or any tuning fork is to find out with using of these beats. Second one, for tuning of musical instruments. Tuning is nothing but how much the frequency is coming from musical instruments. Musical instruments, we know that tabla, harmonium, guitar, so like that. So it is produce certain frequency. A unique frequency produced, for example, a tablaist is consist a tabla. Okay, that tabla is produce certain frequency. So another tabla is produced at different frequency. So why it is find out? Both are vibrate, so both are vibrate at a same time, so it is produce the beats, so it is not tuning. So when it is not produce the beats are zero, so it is tuning to each other, so it is produce the equal frequency, so it is called the tuning of musical instruments. Any musical instrument is tuning with another same instrument. Third one, for producing colorful effects in music, certain different sounds are produced. Okay, in music, in uh, for example, a song is composed. In composition of song, so different sounds and different for example, a certain sound is mixing with using of these beats. Fourth one, for detection of dangerous gases in mines, mars gas is produced here. Mars gas is produced in mines. This is the dangerous gas. So how it is produced, how it is detected? With using of beats. Actually, the gas is consist, okay, when a tuning fork is passes through the gas is consist certain amplitude, okay, certain amplitude. So another gas, when the gas is changed, the frequency can change. When the frequency can change, the beats are produced. Like here, for detection of dangerous gases in mines with using of these beats. So these are the uses of beats. Okay, this is the end of the topic. Thank you.